सो हे गाइस, दिस इज़ केशव एंड यू वाचिंग टेक केयर। बात करते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर लर्निंग स्किल्स की, जो कि लिंक्डइन लर्निंग दिलवा रहा है, और वो भी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लर्न के साथ कोलैब करके। तो ये बेसिकली आपको एक वैलिडेशन सर्टिफिकेट भी मिल जाएगा। अगर आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट सर्टिफिकेशन के पास जाना चाहते हैं तो वो भी मिल जाएगा आफ्टर डूइंग दैट स्किल। ठीक है, लिंक्डइन भी मिलेगा, साथ में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट भी। सो दीज आर द टॉप इन डिमांडिंग skills right now of HTML, CSS, SQL, JavaScript, and Python. You can see, and this is the Microsoft course and all. So basically, it's a collab with LinkedIn Learning and Microsoft team. So I already told you about this in my previous few videos. Now back with another course. So this is a learning path of it. This is programming foundation fundamentals. Then it's about databases. Then talking about web development and full stack and front end, you can check it out. Then HTML essential is also important. Then they are talking about CSS essential training. Then further it's JavaScript essential training. Then after all, learning Python is important. Then what about maintaining databases using SQL programming? Okay, so these are the 8 modules of this particular course of software development. You can go through it, and Microsoft Learn is providing this, and these are the Microsoft certificates you can gain after all this. Okay, so you can check this out. Basically, LinkedIn certificates are free. For Microsoft, I think you have to pay. Okay, just you can check it out, and all the things will be happening. So you can see this is a Microsoft course related to this. It's the same course. Okay, they are just showing the other courses related to it. Now let's go to the start learning path. So here you will see some step-by-step things to become a software developer. You are going to learn, practice, and explore all these things. Okay, so you can see this is 1 day 5 hour of content. It means the total length of the whole content is 1 day 5 hour. Okay, so you don't need to do it in 1 hour 1 day. Obviously, you can take time for 1 month or whatever you want. Then you will get relative certificates of each of them. After completing a single module, you will get a certification of that. And after all doing all these things, all these modules, you will earn a ultimate certificate, which is the final certificate of this software development course. Okay, these are the instructors, and you can see some new modules are also there, like C# and Java. You can learn through it and go step by step module, and you will also earn a certificate of each of them. And just to show you some of the things, I want to start it. Okay, so I will show you how the things from internal looks like. Now let's go to the programming fundamentals. Let it load. Okay, so see, this is how the interface looks like, and it's also available in the app version of, if you are using an Android mobile or iOS device. So you can see the course content and all. These are the certificates, and these are exercise files. You can download it from here. These are totally free things, and you can just go through. And this is the LinkedIn learning certificate you'll get after completing all these lectures and all. Okay, you will automatically get a certificate. Just go to the certificate and you will get it. These are the courses, these are the modules in the particular course. Okay, that's how they are teaching, and you can see so many people are activate. 2000, around 3000 students are learning right now. You can see that's how things going on. And these are some quizzes, and I can see some, any of the course you want to take, any of the video you want to see, it's all are free. Okay, if they are showing a free month trial, you can take it, and after that also is free. So you can just check it out. The link is in description, and that's how the things look like. All right, so this is about the course, and just that, let me, okay, so this is the programming foundation which I was just talking about. And let me reload it just to see something. Okay, Alright, these are the courses. This is a foundation web security course. I am just showing to show that these all courses are free, and the whole the lecture is easily accessible. You can see this is web security course. Those who are into cyber security and all things, this course is for them. And you can directly jump to any other course and learn from it. Like this is what is security, what are hackers and all. You can learn from here. Okay, so all the course content is free, and that is a good thing, as I already mentioned. So that is it for today, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel and share it with a friend and comment down.